I'm about to share with you guys how to serve raw fish with style and creativity. Are you mad or dumb? Or both? Hello everyone, what's up? It's Chathu. Welcome to the channel. Some of you will think this is a weird recipe, but bear with me, this one will blow your mind. We all know in Japanese cuisine they serve raw fish, but this is quite different. Please welcome my take on the Peruvian traditional ceviche. Originally, this recipe and concept found in Peru, South America. This recipe is widely served all over the world in most of the fancy restaurants, as well as even in buffet restaurants. I think it is a smart move to get the vegetable preparation done, then move to fish. So this way we have to wash the chopping board and the knife only once. With all those things being said, enough talking, let's get into it. 3 lime juice goes into a bowl along with the half lime zest. Grate half a teaspoon worth ginger and garlic into the lime juice. Then goes in small slice or dice, fennel, red chilli, green chilli, celery, grapefruit, coriander stalks and spring onion. Season generously with salt and pepper up to your liking. Give it a good mix, then pop it into the fridge. South Americans and Spanish people call this tiger's milk. Yes, you heard me right. Tiger's milk. Tiger's milk. Also finely slice a small red onion lengthwise. Put them into iced cold water till you serve. The reason why we do this to reduce the strong flavors of the onion. If you are a freak about presentation like me, you can stick to the next step. Completely worthy, but optional though. Finely slice lengthwise fennel, spring onion leaves, celery, both chili red and green. All of them goes into the ice cold water. Place in the fridge till we need them. Finely sliced vegetable can be done even day before you need them. I will fast forward the fish filleting step. Check out my fish filleting episode, which I will link end of this episode. When you are done with filleting, remove the pin bone and skin. Cut into medium pieces. Not too big, not too small. You can use almost any seafood in this recipe, but most important thing, use the most fresh seafood that you can find. That is very important because this is, I wouldn't say this is raw, this is, I would say this is cold cooking. Strain off those thinly sliced onion and vegetable when you are about to serve. 4 tablespoons of ceviche marination goes into the fish bowl along with finely sliced vegetable, chopped coriander leaves and olive oil. Let it sit in the marination for 5 minutes, no more than that. Serve immediately with some fresh coriander, dill and thinly sliced vegetables. That's it guys, serve with some crispy crackers or chips. this will be the mind-blowing perfect combo. It will almost break my heart to destroy this, but I have to taste anyway. Slightly spicy and citrusy, fruity and tangy, and definitely this one will punch you in the face, but with a good vibe and a great refreshment. Absolutely, this will wake up your taste buds. Trust me, it is a great starter. Okay guys, that's it in this one. Now you have a pretty good idea how to make the popular Peruvian appetizer. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did enjoy and you like it, give it a like and comment what you think about the recipe, and share with your family and friends all over your social media. They need it. And also consider subscribing for more deliciousness and more goodness. Keep cooking guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.